want it, well I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You come to my motel, slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a hair review. I was sent some hair from Unice hair. Unice, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'm gonna install the hair. So this is the packaging that it came from. This is from Amazon. So we have the wig and hair. Then we have a wig cap, very light. Got some lashes. Then we have their paper thingy. This is the hair. This is 18 inches. They packaged it very nicely. Ooh, it's nice and full. It's nice and full. Thank you. Thank you. It came pre-plucked with baby hairs. This is the lace color. I'm gonna fix it. Comes with 3 clips, adjustable strap, got lace at the back. This is a 13x6 wig. So we about to play with it. We about to have fun. I love the texture. It is so nice. Ooh, it's so soft. I'm really excited about this. Without further ado, let's put on this wig.
Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. So let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
So I put makeup on my lace so that it will blend better. This hair is so full. Oh my gosh. The hairline looks nice too. But I'm gonna pluck it some more.
Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. So let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this a long time. Brown skin thing, my God, you're so fine. You can make a wide-eyed man straight go blind, and his backseat freestyle flows a gold mine.
This is crazy. It's not even glued down.
I'm only here to fuck, I don't wanna cuff. Cause you cheating on that nigga that might do you right. But I don't care, you can stay with me for the night. Yeah, you can stay one night only. I know that you want it, well I'm here for the moment. So let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. So let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, my company, my company. Catching Z's, my company, my company, my company. Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. company. So let's ride. You and me, blown O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. Why you wanna fuck with a nigga like me, huh? Yeah, you know I'm not good for you, I can give you the world. Yeah, we can kick it, baby, but you can't be my girl. You creeping on your man, and I don't think that shit thorough. I can keep you around, but I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby, let's live in it now. I know that you want it, well, I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this a long time. Brown skin thing, my God, you're so fine. You can make a wild.
This is the hair. Is straight, and I didn't even straighten it yet, but it looks so bomb.
But I don't care, you can stay with me for the night. Yeah, you can stay one night only. I know that you want it, well, I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, my company, my company. Catching Z's, my company, my company, my company. Let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. Why you wanna fuck with a nigga like me, huh? Yeah, you know I'm not good for you, I can give you the world. Yeah, we can kick it, baby.
This is my final look. Honestly, this is my favorite wig, favorite company by far that I've worked with. The hair is thick, it's soft, it's pre-plucked, the lace is nice. I love it. I love it. My favorite part of it has to be the thickness. This hair holds curls pretty well, which is impressive because, you know, when you first get hair, it takes a while to like curl how you really want it. But this one is so nice. But yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys want to get this hair, I will link it down below. And yeah, this hair is from Unice hair, and it's nice as hell, period. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload. And yeah, comment down below if you like this hair, or if you're thinking about getting it. Ask me some questions that I didn't answer in this video, and I will answer them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? If your man mad, baby, oh, oh, oh.